Welcome back. Hair loss can be a silent struggle for many women. In this week's edition of the Business Review, we take a look at Kerry's hairstyle and beauty salon, who has been challenging the stigma around alopecia. Here's the Business Review.
For some, a salon is simply about getting the latest style. But at Kerry's Hairstyle and Beauty Salon, it goes far deeper. It's restoring confidence one follicle at a time, especially for clients who've lost it due to alopecia.
It wasn't even something I thought about. It just happened. Like someone come to me, I remember, and I just did something and the hair looked good. I was like, okay. It wasn't the best, but I see where I've grown. And by doing something, doing it over and over, you become the best at what you're doing.
Though her journey began at the tender age of 12, it was later in her career that CEO Paula Lewis found this niche, taking clients from this to this.
A last client hugged me and kissed me when I finish her hair. You have some person hug me and cry. And you have some just, oh my, excited.
Yet, her dream wasn't behind the chair, it was in the bank.
Actually, I got a job at a insurance company. I don't know what happened, I got through, don't know what happened. The person said, okay, you got through, when can you start? I said, as soon as possible. Okay, you can start tomorrow. I said, awesome. Then about a couple hours, the person called me back and said, instead of starting tomorrow, I'll call you and let you know when to start. She didn't call me back. I keep calling her until she said, you know what, we're not going to use you again. And then that's when I gave up.
When that dream didn't pan out, Miss Lewis started cutting her own path as a hairstylist. In 2018, she made a bold move. With a loan investment of 200,000 Jamaican dollars, she secured a chair in downtown Kingston.
At first, it was very challenging, but it was enjoyable doing it because I see where I'm going, and it's something that I really love. So it was very challenging, but at the same time, I was enjoying going through whatever I'm going through.
While treating alopecia became her big breakthrough in the beauty industry, today she styles beyond the roots, offering a wide range of looks and services.
Cut, cream. I do everything except for jerry curls.
Despite a tangled beginning and lots of competition from fellow stylists, Miss Lewis has combed through every challenge and now runs her own salon with one staff member and is looking for more extensions.
In 5 years' time, I should be maybe having classes, and I want a hair store.
Oh, you want your
hair store? As you can see, I start already.
For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.